The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Yo, yeah, man, of the great Tallyhawk, you know, you hear that? Right, you know, dog, in a real life, me have to make you know what really are going on right you now. Cause you have some man in the dog. We say you and them a friend in the dog. A pussy them in the dog. Jamaican them me a talking. See Jamaican them up your dog, them a pussy dog. Most of them. You hear that? Not everyone in the boy have some boy up here a pussy dog. Go close to you say you and them a friend. I think reach me an idea in the dog. I'm have to go viral and talk yo. Big man thing. Yeah dog. A boy named Chicken and Beer now. Ding dang left hand in and him right hand and left hand. Yeah dog. Him a ramp with the junglist and even know. Say yo youth easy. Today the man come for give him life dog. Him cheap pints. I mean not even want it. Cause I not come to Canada for that brother. I come to Canada for a better life dog. And look a pussy like him want me kill him. You hear that him even know me head mad certain way. I told me now pre them thing there. I not come to Canada for go home back as a deportee in the dog. I come here for kill nobody in the brother. I come here for a better life in the dog. And them man they come like a hyping thing and show off thing. I not depend them thing the dog. Yeah dog. Now idea the dog. Flare upon me dog. What? Rushing upon me. I throw a thump off, throw a thump. 2 thump on me have to take mad. And throw a couple upon him mad. You hear that? In the same incident when the thing a go on. Me have my knife in my pocket and he didn't even know say me have my knife in my pocket. And me I say look there. To my daughter birthday, to the daughter 13 years old. And I to them come for me kill him dog. Me have my knife. When him walk up with me I say look at dog. And show him my knife. Yeah man. Me look really tough and me I say dog look here. Watch here. And me show him. And me I say dog I no want to kill you. Me not come a foreign for that. So I don't know waste man when I come a foreign in the brother. For waste food the time you know. When the door ramp in my time. Cause God make me come here so for a reason you know. Yeah, that's someone when they make girl a sit down in the mouth and a sit down in the face and when I can walk come ramping man you know. Eh? You to know now do dog. Me grow in the badness I still run me I run from that. Me no want that. Me no want only job me out dog. I make me go start do certain things right now go pretty dog. I run you know much charge me have dead. Enough of life same way. Right I know some of my friends them a listen this live right now. Viral Tallyhawk. Junglist, Kingston, the whole of Kingston and my place, brother. Now you to come like him want me get in a trouble a foreign dog, like him want me murder him, brother. Brother, don't all me out, brother. Me no want your cheap pints, keep it, dog. You have a little daughter, Alifa. Me no want a little waste man come all me out. You hear that? Cause $40 you want me kill you for a foreign and say you're a star. $40? Me do landscaping, me cut the man the land. Do little trimming. Cut it to the trim of the edges and charge him $40. The man want me do some other trimming, some big tree for cut way around him bum buckle at yard. For $40. Me I say how you to come like him at take drugs. Yeah, me charge you, me get like a tat up. And tat it up for you cause that never include in the work. You $40 for cut your lawn and use my trimmer and cut the edges and take up the little them little grass them for you $40. What more you want? If you want good things then you have to put out your good money. So no come a foreign and want to use people dog. You see some uno, someone a pussy so me have to let this out viral. You me attack Chicken and Beer you want pussy. You hear that dog? Big man thing, me not go around the thing. I told me I really youth. Me not kill you to the dog, I don't want to get in a trouble. Cause I not come a foreign for that. Cause you come give me a life today. You're too sure you're running want to come fight. You want to fight it me for what? You know say you pay O'Shane $40 email transfer. The dog have it on him phone right now. Email transfer $40. When you tell your wife say you pay more than that, a $40 you pay. I told them I cut a lady yard next door, yo. Your yard. And I want the woman pay me $70. I'm not even do what me do over your yard. So you am a G. And you come go like you want to diss me. No more G. Una pussy. You hear that? They come a foreign tune. You must have a name but a dancer or that to feel like you can come ramping man and style. And you hear that? Me and my friend them too. I need a friend for defend me. You hear that? A crazy people may have link but me no need it. Me no depend them thing the dog. If a daughter live for me, the waste man thing a foreign, you hear that? It's a man about to come go like them want come jaw out, man. It's a man for know themselves, brother, and stop these people. If you not do music, you not do music. You not want to do music and badness at the same time. A dead, you not go dead. Picks up, my brother. If a badness, you want to go in a badness. If you want to go dance or you want to go music, picks up, my charge it. You hear that? So I'm in a it to do, brother. Don't come jam me out, brother. Cause I don't want to go up on the road. Cause I go up on the road, it now go pretty dark. I swear to God, as me there, say dog, if I go up on the road, the dog, me no go up on it already at Jamaica. If I go up on it up here, it now go pretty. In a real life, I swear upon my life, God kill me. To them daughter 13, to them daughter birthday. So some man's door ramped me in the dog. Man, door ramped me. You don't even know the type of people them who me know, who me grow with. You might see me and feel like a plaything. The whole of Kingston 13-12 go right back. My network, Tamak, Talia, me make it know kind of go viral. And me and my friend them out there with know say yo, my head chip. I true me no want that, me want a betterment, better life more. Yeah dog, you chicken and beer, know yourself dog. If you want your life, keep your life. Don't come pick no war with me dog, cause you don't know no about war dog. Cause you run in for me today, me have a knife and you not even know. And when me done it, me let you go and make you live. Me say, dog, look here, me have my knife. You run gone in here in that yard. Run, come out back with long kitchen knife. The man run, come out back and move to me. And me stand up. This me stand up it. And I watch him. And can't run in. Not if you can cross the line. Cause if you ever, remember, I slip more you slip. Any little move you make, a little knife, yeah, don't ramp with it. Your knife with a tall. A 1-for-1. And make sure you don't miss when you push your one in a car. Nah, miss that me I make you know. So brother, you just build and stop chop badness. You go do dancing. And stop ramping man. Cause I know the badness thing in the dog. Right now, I don't need that dog. I don't need to go behind bars. Go see the long seed man. You hear that? At 25 years, my brother run off right now. A Spanish town. Madded. Marlon Fox. You shouldn't even know. Make you know. And the laughing thing in the door rampant man. And me no want it. Buckler, them boy, I feel like some man them even know man levels in the youth. Them don't know man levels dog. They not even know the way man grow man come a foreign try achieve. I try to help some people from Jamaica and bring come here. Help some family and who make you help as friend. When I come here waste time I come and fight against one another fight against Jamaican. My someone waste man, someone no deserve to come and fight. You hear that? Come and fight. Stop one I couldn't want to take people for food. You hear that? Yeah man, I cut you get cut off dog. You hear that big man thing? Boy your name chicken and beer. And I fight for want to fight me for $40. Disrespect me for $40. Boy when I drive round with carry all in my car. In my car, I drive round them pussy in my car. You're foreign. Eh? And you come and hype on me and want to fight with me. Like you want me to kill your dog. You think I want to kill your brother? I told me I don't want to hurt you to them. I just easy myself and love you. Make you flare up yourself. I when they gone up there, so I pull my knife and make you be able, your wife see it and say, see them. This me have. I don't want to hurt you, brother. Just easy, brother. Yeah, man, I'm out in here. Don't know the thing going on. I have to make this go viral. I make the people them know so that youth here try to violate me thing. And I never violate him. Me have proof in every angle. So me never diss him. And him a diss me. Cause them say them hype, you know. Cause them don't want nobody to look bigger than them, you know. You hear that you don't bet money are foreign and you're afraid to spend a little change for cut your yard. Eh? You lily up your thing, brother. You're a star boy. You make it look like you're a star boy. You lily up your thing. $40, brother. That's if you can full my car tank. You hear that, dog? Straight. $80 full my car tank up here. $80. And you go on for $40. $40 you want dead foreign for? $40 you come fight a man for? And that you pay, that you keep. Dog, I can't believe me lose half of the youth, yo. I mean, rate the youth, you know. Rate the youth. I'm not even know him from Jamaica. I hope I'm come know him. I know say me a junglist. Either time she say, yo, from me say junglist in the dog, and then a yard thing, you know, man, ever they on the street like the white line. Who they a jungle when I know me down to the picnic we just born. Me name Talia, dog. Yeah, that's a man feel like a play thing. Yeah, man, you don't know the thing set, man. So you know yourself, dog, and protect your cheap points, dog. Cause you give your cheap points, cause what? I don't really want it, dog. Straight. And depend that. I don't come a foreign for that. You come a foreign for a better life. You get an opportunity to come a foreign. You need to make use of it. I don't come here for war with Jamaicans. Yeah? Dog, just watch yourself, dog, and be careful, dog. You know what you do. You see me? Because when this certain real youth, you violate certain real youth. Some things happen back to you, you wonder why some things happen to you back on and meds. You hear that? I told me know all your old lady. You didn't even know. Oh, me and old lady roll youth. You didn't even know. Me know Sharon like that and she know me. And all them things they see me not even take a little cheat idea. Come could I take it if more. I told me not want it. I'm in the depend that. In a jail thing up here. In a depend the jail thing. And the deportation thing. In a depend that. Like some boy come a foreign and get deported. Me not come here for that. I'm gonna help 40 people yet from yard. We not even help 40 people yet from yard. If you come a foreign to get deported.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, big up and respect to each and every one. My name is Dancehall. I am here again. Alright, now this person in this video that I just presented to you, this person said some things that I think it is some positive thinking. And I think that this person said some positive things. You see me? This person said some things that gave me the understanding that he's not trying to get into trouble with the law. You see me? Yeah, this person said some things that gave me the understanding that he's trying to live a good life. Yeah, I respect that thinking. You understand? I respect that kind of thinking. You know what I mean? Yeah, now viewers and subscribers, you know, this person went on to explain about something that happened between him and a person who's known as Chicken and Beer. You see what I'm saying to you? And I am not here to blame anyone and say this person wrong or that person wrong, you know. No, that's not what I'm doing, you see me? All I'm saying is that this person said some things that I think it is positive, you see me? I'm not even looking at the part with the fight or anything like that, you see what I'm saying to you? Now, this person said some things that gave me the understanding that Chicken and Beer is a friend of the Jamaican recording artist who goes by the name of Ding Dong. Alright? Now, viewers and subscribers, this person also said some things that gave me the understanding that what had happened between him and the person who's known as Chicken and Beer is considered to be a fight. You understand me? But anyways, the reason why I bring this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, is because this video is out on social media and it's being talked about. You know, comments have been made about this video, and you know, this video is getting somewhat of a buzz out there on social media. And you don't know me, Dancehall. I'm only here to keep you up to date and post it and let you know what's going on. Alright? Yeah. And you can also let me know what you think about this video as well. Now, this is where I'm going to leave it, viewers and subscribers. Alright? Nothing more I'm going to say about this video. And until the next time, my name is Seriousskilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it. Hey, my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall. Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall.